educator and champion for women's and children's rights.
It was a really inspiring lecture. I think her passion and love for the subject, for the country of Ukraine really came through, and I really appreciated that. And I really liked the sort of optimistic take on a really pessimistic world, the love and support she showed for things like diversity, really coming together, feminism, all these really important values that Canada and Ukraine share.
Thank you so much for organizing such an amazing event. I had a pleasure of attending a dinner with Chrystia Freeland, and it was really refreshing to see someone so open and easygoing, and it was a great moment we spent with representatives from the academia also. I definitely think that the whole thing was extremely touching because I'm Ukrainian myself, and it's just impressive to see how much people care about the situation and how many people actually help Ukrainians, and I'm very grateful for this.
Our faculty is committed to improving.
It can be really heavy and difficult to discuss, and was able to embed so much hope into her speech, and really it was quite inspiring, I think, especially the way she discussed democracy in a time that can be kind of fearful for people who never really worried about democracy before.
Well, it's been one of my favorite things for the last number of years to go to the Judy Bell lecture, because they always have interesting people coming. I've always enjoyed the insights. I was cursed and blessed by studying political science here some time ago and didn't get into politics, so I come back for a dose just to just to keep me going.
As a student in the Masters of Public Policy and Administration, getting to hear from someone who has been so high up in the Government of Canada is amazing, and that's something you're only going to get here in Ottawa.
I'm definitely looking forward to starting my program. I think the opportunities are amazing. It is something unbelievable. We definitely have this Ottawa advantage, just being here and having an opportunity to meet professionals as professors with practical experience. I think that is extremely important, but also be able to network with other students and guests of this level. It is definitely inspiring, and I'm extremely happy about my choice.
Of Canadian and Ukrainian.
Merci pleine, j'apprécie ça énormément.